morning, everybody. Welcome to Coffee with Buzz. Today is Monday, November 15th, 2021. I'm going to make this one quick and simple for everybody. But before I do, everybody hit that subscribe button and don't forget the bell to get alerted next time I post a video. Okay, so I did my scan today. About 4 of them came up. 3 of them were not really ready completely. The first one, let me just show you my plan. If you guys want to go ahead and pause the video, read that. This is my buy plan today. I'm looking at BKE. Actually, okay, let me bold that right here so everybody can see. BKE. I'm looking at the March 18th 22s. I'm looking at a strike price either at 50 or 55. Now, I'm going to explain this. It might go down, maybe even get like the 48 or the 47.50s, depending, but I'm going to explain that in a second. The others that are going to be on the list today are going to be CPE. Let me make this just a little bigger for everybody. CPE, GPRE, and M. These 3 are setting up. They're not there yet. We don't have any squeezes on the charts, but the bull flag is starting, and hopefully we can get some consolidation. So watch those for some consolidation this week. It probably will not happen today or tomorrow on any of these 3, but maybe by the end of the week we will start to see a pattern and a squeeze here that we can look for an entry zone. So for BKE, I just want to go through this one real quick. Wait for the stock to trade inside the daily buy zone, which is below the 8-day and above the 21-day EMA. You sell if it breaks below the 21-day EMA. That means that the chart is broken, at least for the moment. Sell, take your small loss. If it comes back up into the buy zone, you can look back at the stock. If we still have our squeezes and the setup is still valid, go ahead and jump back into the trade. But do not hold when your stock drops below the 21-day moving average. Okay, so I want to show you what I'm seeing here, guys. We have on the daily chart a nice run up, pulled back into consolidation. Now here's my 8-day. Let me draw a box. Right here is my 8-day moving average. And that is not the right spot. There we go. 8-day moving average and 21-day moving average. This will be our buy zone, everybody. Buy zone. So we're trading right up in here in the 49.39 cent range. We needed to pull back below, we'll just call it $48. If it can get below 48, that's going to be our buy. If it breaks below 50, if it breaks below 45.50, that's going to be our exit. But we're going to be trying to get this as low as possible, as close to the 21-week day moving average as possible, but definitely in the buy zone. And obviously this buy zone is going to move. So if it continues to go up, obviously these go up, but below the 8-day and above the 21-day, as always. I'm just going to show you what our 4-up chart looks like for the day. I've got a squeeze on our 78-minute chart, squeeze starting on our 130-minute chart. I do not have one yet on BKE for the 195 or the daily chart yet. That's going to be coming. You can see this is why it's a watch list, and we're going to be looking for an entry point to get in. We've already got 2 of the 4 setups that we're looking for. If this opens below into the buy zone, we're going to be looking for an entry point. Be patient. This is not a rush. So look for a good entry point to get in. And then on your options, I'm going to be looking probably either at the 50s or the 47.50s. When this pulls back, we should be able to get probably the 47.50s for right around $5 or so. maybe in that range, 550, we'll see. But when this pulls back, we're going to be able to get those at the money. If you don't want to spend 5 on them, I would say, depending on what the price range is, but do not go out above the 55 strike price. You're too far out of the money at that point. So if you really wanted to take on a high risk lotto play, I guess I would call it, at 3, maybe getting the 55s. But to be a little bit more secure, I would say the 5250s, the 50, or the 4750, depending on what the prices are when this moves down. As it pulls back, these are the IV, implied volatility, is going to drop pretty quickly, and the prices should be a little bit cheaper. But anyways, that's my plan on those. You guys already see. I'll just pull it up one more time. The watch list for the day: CPE, GPRE, and M. It's really like a weekly watch list. Those are hopefully going to set up for us later in the week. And again, so it's just basically watch BKE for a good setup. And that's all I've got. All right, guys, good luck in the market. Pray everybody is successful and pays it forward to anybody that they're with. Thank you. Have a good day.